Mopresidente wa peleng wa naga Thabo Mbeki o ntshitse sa gagwe sa bosuwana mabapi le mathata a kabo ya mohlagase a aparetsego naga. O re tharollo e ka ba ke taolo ya Eskom e ka bewa ka tlase ga diintsenere le ditsebi tsa ikonomi. O boletse se nakong ya ga kopane le baithuti le batseta Unisa ka Pretoria.
A critical ingredient I believe we need to resolve those problems is a good leadership in government and generally in society. Just before I came here this afternoon, the former statistician general, Padile Hotla, was making a very interesting observation regarding this energy matter that was raised. And he was saying, I'm not saying he was right, but this is what he said, that Eskom is a big engineering institution, but also it's a big business. And he said, therefore, in terms of its leadership, you need engineers and economists. But instead, what do we have as its leadership? Instead, we have politicians and accountants.